Hello, nieces and nephews. It's Cricket, and welcome to Cricket's Travels. Today, we're going to be doing a room tour at the Renaissance Hotel of room 613. Hello, nieces and nephews. Welcome to Cricket's Travels. We are here today at the Renaissance Hotel in Long Beach, California, and we are in room 613. And I'm about to give you a room tour. So when you first come in, you have your light switch right there, your floor plan for in case there's an emergency, and then immediately right here is the bathroom. Huge mirror, large counter space. I just washed my hands, use my towel. Then you have your hair dryer and towels, your napkins, garbage can, bathroom, toilet. Then you have your shower. And then it comes with some really good products. Aveda is really good, guys. So you have your body wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo. Not bad. Nice bathroom. Clean. And then we leave out. We have the thermostat. Another large mirror, full-length mirror to check your outfits. We're actually in a double bedroom, and so we have two nice queen-size beds, our lamps, telephone, clock, and then you also have some sockets there, and you also have a USB plug. And then over here, we have some drawers, the Bible, and then we have a fridge. Alrighty. And then down here, you have your ice bucket and a couple of glasses. And you also have a Keurig coffee maker and some coffee. Well, it's not a Keurig, just a regular coffee maker, it looks like. Alrighty. You have a table, a lamp, and a chair. And you also have like a little reading light right here. So not bad, not a bad room at all. Let's see what we get as far as view. Oh, it's a nice little seat right here. And then this is the view. We're in downtown Long Beach. Getting ready to get on a cruise tomorrow, the Carnival Panorama. So guys, I just wanted to show you this room just in case you were looking for a hotel to stay in if you ever leave out of Long Beach. This is Cricket, and I'll see you when I see you. Love you.